Hi everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can adjust audio on Cooking Mama. So let's get started. First of all, open Cooking Mama on your device. Now, wait until the game gets fully loaded. Once it does, tap on Start button and then you can find Hamburger menu on the center of your screen. Tap on it, then select Options. Now, tap on the speaker icon that shows on the bottom of your screen. Now, adjust the audio by sliding the slider to the right to increase the volume and sliding the slider to the left to decrease it. That's it. This is how you can adjust audio on Cooking Mama. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you'll never miss another gaming update.